A C-mount is a type of lens mount commonly found on 16 mm movie cameras, closed-circuit television cameras, machine vision cameras and microscope phototubes. C-mount lenses provide a male thread which mates with a female thread on the camera. The thread is nominally 1.000 inch in diameter, with 32 threads per inch, designated as 1:32 UN2A in the ANSI B1.1 standard for unified screw threads. The flange focal distance is 17.526 mm for a C-mount. Merely to say that a lens is C-mount says very little about the lens' intended use. C-mount lenses have been made for many different formats, the largest being 4 times as large as the smallest. C-mount lenses are built for the 8 mm and 16 mm film formats and the 1/3, 1/2, 2/3, as 1-inch video formats, which corresponds to a range of image circles from 5 to 17 in diameter, approximately. Some manufacturers have recently introduced lenses for the 4/3 inch/1.3 inch format, but these remain very expensive. This is no trivial difference. For example, for the 4/3 format, a 12 mm lens is a wide-angle lens and will have a retrofocus design. For the 2/3 inch format, a 12 mm lens is normal, and can have a simple and fast double Gauss layout. For the 1/3 inch format, a 12 mm lens is long and can have a telephoto design. Some TV lenses lack provision to focus or vary the aperture, so may not operate properly with film cameras. Also, some TV lenses may have bits that protrude behind the mount far enough to interfere with the shutter or reflex finder mechanisms of a film camera. Although C-mount lenses have a back focal distance far too short to be used with 35 mm film SLRs or any existing digital SLR, they can be mounted on interchangeable lens mirrorless digital cameras. One such system is the Micro Four Thirds, being used by Olympus and Panasonic. However, the vast majority of C-mount lenses produce an image circle too small to effectively cover the entire 4/3 sensor, with its approximately 22 mm diagonal. This produces what is popularly called vignetting but is better described as a mismatch between camera format and lens format. The letter C is said to stand for scene, the original application being movie camera lenses. CS mount. CS mount has a flange focal distance of 12.50 mm, but is otherwise the same as C mount, including the fact that lenses for many different formats are made for it. CS mount lenses are built for the smaller formats, 1/2 inch and down. See also, T mount, lens mount, Pentax K mount, D mount, PL mount. References: ISO 10935 1996, Optics and Optical Instruments, Microscopes, Interfacing Connection Type C, lawrenceripsha.com, Switler 26 mm f/1.1 Review, External links, Making Digital Camera Microscope Adapters. The section Understanding C-mount and CS-mount Standard Mechanics, Optics, and Cameras discusses the standards and custom machining of C-mount apparatus. List of some C-mount lenses. Collection of scene optics and photos of them. 1. Selection of lens and extension ring tube for machine vision.